Look,
Cam. She doesn't know what's going on at all.
Look, Cammy. Hey.
Why are they looking at me?
Look, baby.
It's an egg.
Good job. Put it in a basket.
Cammy. Yeah, pick it up. Hey. Here, put it in here. Here, Cammy. Put it in the basket. Good job.
Good job, Cam. Yay.
Get this one.
She's clapping.
There's a lot of eggs for her to find.
Good job. Come on. Come on, Cammy.
Look. Put it in there. Good job.
Come on, baby.
Find some more. Come on.
Cambria.
What is Monroe eating?
A stick.
Cammy.
Cammy Doodle.
Come on.
Maybe it's that cat.
You don't look interested. All right, come on, then. Cam. What is that?
Cammy, look.
Gross. Look.
Monroe, don't eat it.
Yay!
They're not
Good
home.
job.
Cammy, look. Woo! Look, baby doo-doo. Good job. Yeah, good job. You're doing so good. Oh my gosh, look. Oh, good job.
Yay! Good job. They're not caring. Just do your thing.
Come on, Cammy.
Keep representing, all right? Come on.
Cammy.
Look, there's one over there.
Look, Cam.
Woohoo!
Get it. Good job. Yeah. Come on. Let's go, Cam. Do you see any more? Do you see one? Go get it.
Brody, are your nipples hard?
No?
Get it, Cammy. It didn't go in.
Do they look hard?
Get the egg. Cam, look at the egg. It's right behind you, baby doodle.
These are apparently.
It's in. All right.
Jesse, Vanessa's nipples are hard.
Okay, Joe, I'm videoing a 14-month-old hunting Easter eggs.
Here, Cam.
I really hope that.
Good job. Whoops.
Good job.
Cammy, look, doo-doo. Cambria. Good job. Whoops. Put it in the basket.
Cammy.
Good
Oh,
job.
yay.
Come on,
Find the
Cammy
next
Doodle.
one.
Cambria. Come over here where Mama is. Cammy. She found one by herself. She doesn't want that one. She's passing up eggs left and right. Yo-yo. Good job.
Here you go.
I love that she threw it at you and it went in.
Cammy, look. Cambria.
Look at Mama.
Look, Cam.
Come put it in. Oh, this one's cracked a little bit, huh?
Yeah.
Here, Cam. Oh, her finger on that one. Hey, good job. All right, next.
Cammy, come find Nana's egg. Cambria, look, it's Nana's egg. Cambria. It's Nana's egg.
Good job.
Cammy Doodle, look, baby.
I hit that one first.
Get it.
Here you go. Alright, slam dunk.
Come on, Cam. Look over here. Ooh.
One more, Cammy.
Get close. Oh, did you get it?
Good job. You want to put that one in? Thank you.
Good job. Yay, you're done. You did so good.